Today, I'm taking Amtrak from Los Angeles to San Francisco on the Gold Runner route, about 9 hours, with the train and bus connection. It's cheaper than flying, easier than driving, faster than Amtrak Coast Starlight. But passengers warn about delays, uncomfortable seats, and weak food. So I'm doing the full experience and breaking down the real pros and cons. I'll show you the seats, comfort, bathrooms, food, and the total time and cost. Is it worth it? Buckle up because this journey is full of information and off we go!
Are you guys going to Bakersfield?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome.
Our bus showed up surprisingly early, which already felt like a good sign. Now I'm just hoping we make it to our destination on time because my friends are waiting for me for dinner.
If you're not, are you okay? I don't care.
Since everything was lining up perfectly, I had just enough time to put together a little surprise package for our driver.
Thank you!
We pulled out right on time, so let that be your warning. Do not be late. We'll do a little inside the bus tour in a bit since it looks like the lavatory is occupied right now. We started hitting traffic on the Golden State Freeway, but honestly, I'm not the one driving, so I was perfectly happy to sit back, relax, enjoy the LA River that somehow has water. Not long after, we exited at Los Feliz to pick up passengers from Glendale Amtrak Station. This is a quick stop. Let's check out the lavatory while we're on it. It's kind of stinky, but it's clean. There's a toilet paper right there. And yeah, no washroom for you.
We have 2 hours. I hope I never get to use that. How's your space?
There's water holder for every seat. We're seated up front. I'm still in post-knee surgery, so I gotta stop and go stretch the knee, do quad exercises. We have a charger here, but not a 3-prong. Good thing I brought my own travel charger. It's optional to wear a seat belt, and the lights are working. Time check 11:30, but we're not getting there until 1 and some change. Off we go to the Golden State Freeway, and looks like traffic is no longer an issue. LA River, you're looking so wonderful with ducks even. That bridge is so cool. I know we're in Burbank the moment I spotted the IKEA store. Another perk of taking the bus is that it can use the carpool lane, which helps us to move through traffic faster. We're passing the Los Angeles Aqueduct, which only means one thing. Magic Mountain is coming up next. Okay, that pre-trip coffee was a mistake and now it's making me go. We're now cruising toward my favorite part, the Castaic Recreation area. This time check tells us maybe it's time to eat something. I brought some food because food is sustenance. Here are the 2 things I always bring with me through travel. This sriracha is making me sneeze. This stretch is also known for having so many trucks, and sometimes we get way too close to them.
Wow, that's close.
We're descending, that means we're getting near our transfer. We've finally left LA County and now entering Kern County, Tejon.
That's a cool mosque.
We're leaving the 5 freeway and exit onto California State Route 58. Once we hit the side streets, I know we're close to Amtrak Bakersfield. But more importantly, I really need to use the lube because I've been holding it since we got to Castaic Recreation Park. We have time because we arrived early and our train doesn't leave until 2 p.m.
What time is it leaving?
It leaves at 2:02. We start boarding about 1:45.
Okay, awesome. Thank you so much. We do have some time to kill before we get on our next train. This waiting area looks so cool. It looks like a museum from the outside. By the way, I'm just so happy that the train is already here. It's not my first time to ride the Gold Runner, but the 2 times I've ridden it, they were kind of late.
I'm so glad we have an in-between time before our boarding because I like looking inside train stations.
Coffee, you need a snack or a drink. It's here. But what we really need is the loo, so I have to go to one. Whew. Thanks for telling me the code.
Snacks available, however, there is no hot food available for purchase. If you'd like something hot to eat, please visit the food truck outside.
I did bring food, but I love food trucks, so might as well check it out, right? The party is here. I liked it. You have tacos, quesadilla, queso tacos, Mulita soda. Oh, wow, it's a bunch. What should I get? Oh. ¿Qué es bueno? Una chorizo y una al pastor. Diet Coke? Gracias.
Yeah. What's the name?
Chorizo al pastor. Ooh.
They wanted to be
Okay. Lemon.
with Elliot,
It's hot.
but they withdrew as her house from the bottom.
That's delicious. I said no onions, but they're onions, but I forgive them.
I thought he was.
It's a hard choice. They're both good.
Well, they could have. Oh, they could have.
But I think I like the al pastor better. Looks like they're loading now. We'll have to cross to get there. Okay. See now. There's Wi-Fi on board here. No.
What's that?
It's a camera.
Hey, look at that. You're doing vlogging? I'll be
Yes.
out on your way. Okay?
Thank you so much.
It looks safe here, but I'll bring a lock next time. It's free sitting, no assigned seat, so part of the thrill is finding the best seat in the house. I prefer the one with the table because I need to do something.
Seat is right here.
We prefer the table.
Slide out and in. See if the lights are working. Yep, it's working. It's charging. I don't think you can. Weird. What is this for? Oh, okay. It's lit a bit, but it's not much difference. I don't think it leans.
If you're not traveling with us, now would be a good time to exit the train. Please have those tickets out. Conductors will come through scanning tickets.
Oh,
I got you.
awesome.
Welcome on board Amtrak San Joaquins. This train's final destination is Oakland. While on board, please take advantage of our complimentary snack box and water located in cars 2 and 4. No smoking or vaping is allowed on this train, including in the restrooms. Attempting to do so or tampering with smoke detectors will result in removal from the train. Please do not block adjacent seats with your belongings, and refrain from putting your feet on the seats. Items under 25 pounds should be safely stowed in the overhead storage area and larger items in the luggage racks at the end of each car. If you need assistance, please ask a crew member.
Well, she had a better idea than me. I know it's safe to leave our luggage on the luggage rack, but I don't want to take chances. I'm curious about the snacks and I'm kind of wanting a dessert, so let's check the snack rack.
This feels like a Star Wars spaceship.
Oh, okay. Here's the snack station. Nothing sweet here. Cheetos, Chex Mix, Cheez-It, Smart Food Popcorn, sorted drinks right there. Ooh, nice view. These are the orchard.
I should have brought a cooler.
We are now approaching Wasco Station.
This is Wasco Station. It looks like they're still building.
Near Delano and
Oh.
early Mark
When is it packed?
it's the weekends.
Oh.
So it will be about 3 times the number of passengers. Right now we're about 150. Last week we were about 400.
Thanks so much for answering all my questions. I need to work right now, so let's check out the Wi-Fi if it's working.
It's a bit slow.
You'll see we are approaching Allensworth State Historic Park, an important part of Black and California history. The town of Allensworth was founded by Colonel Allensworth after the Civil War as a place for formerly enslaved blacks to own property and start new lives together. Amtrak San Joaquins stops at Allensworth.
This new train is fascinating. It used to be San Joaquins, but now it's called Gold Runner, and it feels much more modern. Even the screen lets you check if the lavatory is available.
Check it out. Okay, this is cool. Push to open. Yeah, push to lock. Yep, it's closing.
Thank goodness we have a proper washroom, lit mirror.
Hand dryer. Ooh, a changing table. That's the loo right there. And you have everything not stinky at all. A double hanger. Quality's not bad for this one. Flush, just wave. Hi. Uh-oh, there's no soap.
We have a few hours left, might as well book my next Vegas trip.
Time to work.
Corcoran Station. Thank you for riding Amtrak San Joaquins. You have checked your luggage. You can claim your luggage at the rear of the station.
The train is stable, but it's a common practice that passengers don't bring their headphones. We also stop for a few minutes, but we don't know the reason why.
The one thing I like about riding the train is that I have time to actually work and answer your comments, because I can't do this while driving, right? There's really not much view to see here. In terms of comfort, it's kind of like, yeah, it's hard. The chairs are harder than the Pacific Coast Starlight, but it's still comfortable. I'm so glad I put my bag underneath it. Also, a lot of people are not using their headphones to watch whatever they're watching on their phone. I do have my headphones. This is my headphones. So maybe they forgot about it, or maybe they don't care.
Once again, Fresno, approaching shortly.
My Vegas trip are finally booked. I'm staying at Silverton and South Point Casino. Off-strip is kind of my game right now, but I do enjoy this trip too. It's just that like it's something new and I want to discover more out of Vegas than the usual. Oh, it's so nice outside. I kind of have to do some walking, not forget to circulate our blood. They said they have 2 carts for snacks, and I kind of want to see the other one if it has a cookie. Someone was eating like a fragrant food and it smelled so nice, so I have nothing against that person, but if ever you're eating something like smelly, please don't. That's cool. You can bring your bike, and it is a bike rack. It is kind of hard to put it this way. It's at the end. We'll see. Oh, yep, they're the same. Wow, they don't have those cookies no more. There's no driver or anything. No technical, I don't think that's a door. The bullet train from the Central Valley towards San Francisco is supposed to be built like sometime 2030, 2031, but you know, we both know that's not gonna happen, right? But they say they're building now in the Central Valley. It's not gonna go along the coast, like Coast Starlight, but it's gonna be faster. They say it's just gonna be 2 hours for that one.
If Madera is your stop, please gather all of your belongings and prepare to exit the train.
Where are you coming from?
Fresno.
Fresno? Where are you going? Do you ride this a lot? Often? What do you think of it?
It's nice.
It's nice.
It's not packed tonight.
It's not. Oh, it's usually packed.
Sometimes you gotta sit on the floor.
Oh, go ahead. Sorry. Oh, Madera Station. There's nothing here. What do you see in Madera? I don't feel safe here at night. There's one thing I would take note. It's every car has different temperatures. One is cold, one is warmer. I feel like the more people are in it, the more it's warmer. I think it's because of the number of people in it, maybe, or the AC on it. I can't help it. I'm really craving for Diet Coke, but... Ooh. How does it taste warm? You know what? Room temperature. It's not that bad. I thought it would be worse. What time is it now? 5? It's been 3 hours here in the train. Did I get bored? A little bit, I have to admit. But I had things to do. When there's no signal, I was bored because the views are more just almonds. But I can't really complain because, you know, at least we see greeneries and this is faster and cheaper route.
Merced Station is the transfer point for Yosemite National Park. For passengers headed to Yosemite or the surrounding areas, the Yards bus will be located next to the station. We are now approaching Merced. Passengers are welcome to step off here for a few minutes to stretch their legs. Please listen for the all aboard call. If you choose to smoke, stay 20 feet away from any open door.
We were told we can have a bit of a stretch here. I still can't go down the stairs smoothly. I'm sorry about that. But I do it one by one. We can stretch inside. But I think I came out for air. Fresh air at Merced. We're so close to Yosemite. Am I breathing Yosemite air? This is a Caltrans. Are you our engineer? Yeah. Awesome! Nice to meet you. Thank you. We get to meet the engineer of this train. I love that photo. So fun.
Copy that. All aboard!
Oh, we're going.
What's up?
I'm at Merced. So I think 2 hours more.
Okay.
Yes, he got the cookie out. Yes.
Starlight. Passengers, getting off. Please go to doors 3 or 4, or where you see a uniformed employee.
Good, I can give it.
I remember you. Yeah.
You want it? Oh,
Yeah, you're fine.
okay. Thank you.
There's really nothing at Turlock.
Rested. Where are you going? Stockton, right? Stockton. Have a good one, mommy. This is Modesto right here. We're eating dinner right now. Brought food, like an actual food, and we're about to eat it now.
Here is frozen chicken. I regret bringing it. It's so heavy.
Organic at Trader Joe's. I do turmeric. And for my knee, this is for my bestie because they do have the best peanut butter. They're very important for me too. If you're gonna take collagen, make sure to take the one with vitamin C because collagen doesn't really get activated without the vitamin C. I got this one. It's my chili oil, and this is from a small business. A couple made this one, and this is my favorite chili oil. Good thing I got this. Oh, my plan was to eat this a while ago for my lunch or my late lunch, but since we ate the tacos, I'm eating this now. How cold is this now? And is it still good? So good. It's good for dinner. Chili oil. It does elevate the taste. Eating with a view. Doesn't care. It's like, I'm okay.
Alright, you guys, Stockton here and now. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, for the few that joined us, welcome aboard 717. This is an Oakland bound train, you guys. Please have those tickets out. Conductors are coming through scanning tickets. Next stop, Antioch. Antioch, next stop.
I saw your face in a big crowd, and now it's all I think about. I've had some leads, but nothing found. A puzzle I can't figure out. I'm running circles and I don't have a plan. I've got a mess, I'm stuck with an impossible task. Looking through my phone.
Now it's 20 minutes delayed.
If Martinez is your stop, please gather all of your belongings and prepare to exit the train.
Hi, we're almost there. I'm so excited to get off of this one.
This thing is so heavy. I have to unload it. Next time, no more frozen goods. What was I thinking? It's a good workout though. Oof. We're kind of moving fast.
This is where my bestie and her hubby will pick me up. Martina Station, birth of the martini cocktail.
We're not stopping. You got this! Let's go! You got this! It's so far where they stop, huh? Where did they stop? They weren't even like slowing down. You got this! You got this! Where's the bus? You got this! Come on, let's go! Let's go, let's go! You got this, you got this! Almost there!